Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Scoots. Glad to be back. It's a pleasure to be here. I know it's been a while since we've done a video, but we're going to do a real easy one here to try to save you some money. If you're cleaning your K&N air filters, or you happen to have a mesh type air filter on your bike, here's a really quick, easy money saver for you. You don't have to buy the special cleaners for it. Just use Old 99. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. You're going to use Old 99 here, and it's cheap. Spray down your filter. Clean it all up like this. Let it dry so it's completely dry. And then you just spray it with your K&N oil right there. And what you do is let it wick or drain off for about 15 to 20 minutes. Put it back on and you're good to go.